Your brain is not your ally, it's your biggest obstacle. Every time you try to change your life, go to the gym, start that business, wake up early, something inside you pushes back. That's not weakness. That's your brain doing exactly what it was designed to do. But today, you're going to learn how to stop obeying it. Understand why your brain is built against you. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about one thing: keeping you alive. And to your brain, comfort equals survival. So when you hear that voice say, skip the gym today, you deserve a break, start tomorrow, that's not laziness. That's your brain's ancient survival code running in a modern world. The problem? That same code that kept your ancestors safe is keeping you stuck. Successful people, wealthy people, aren't those who feel more motivated. They're the ones who've learned to act in spite of that voice. Reframe pain as your competitive edge. Most people treat discomfort like a stop sign. High performers treat it like a green light. Think about it this way. Every millionaire, every athlete, every person you admire, they all paid the same price: discomfort. The gym hurts. Starting a business is scary. Waking up at 5 a.m. is brutal. But here's the mental shift that changes everything. Pain is not a warning. Pain is the price of growth. So from now on, when your brain says, I don't feel like it, you say, good. That means it's worth doing. The 3-second rule, used by top performers worldwide. Science shows that when you hesitate for more than 5 seconds, your brain floods with reasons not to act. Mel Robbins calls it the 5-second rule. I want you to cut that in half. 3 seconds, that's all you get. You don't want to get out of bed? 3, 2, 1. Move. You're staring at the gym wondering if today is the day? 3, 2, 1. Walk in. No thinking, no negotiating, just action. Because here's what most people don't realize: action kills hesitation. You don't wait until you feel ready. You act your way into readiness. Build your daily discomfort practice. You don't need a complicated morning routine. You need one thing: a daily act of resistance. Take a cold shower. Do 50 push-ups. Spend 20 minutes on deep, focused work. Say yes when fear tells you to stay quiet. These aren't just habits. Each one is a signal to your brain. A message that says, you don't run me, I run you. The wealthy and successful don't have more willpower. They've just trained their brain to follow through consistent daily proof. Stop waiting to feel ready. Decide who you are. Here's the most powerful psychology hack in this entire video. Identity drives behavior. If you think of yourself as someone who tries to be disciplined, you'll keep trying and failing. But if you decide, right now, I am someone who does hard things, your behavior starts to follow that identity. Tell yourself, I'm not lazy. I just trained myself to avoid discomfort. But that version of me ends today. Then do one hard thing. Just one, and repeat it tomorrow. That's not motivation. That's identity engineering. And it's how real transformation begins. Your brain has been in control long enough. Starting right now, you are in charge. If this video gave you something real, hit that subscribe button. Because every week, we go deep on the psychology of wealth, success, and the mindset that separates people who dream from people who build. I'll see you in the next one.